Grammar skills are useful in every aspect of life, from education to leadership and social life to employment opportunities. They are equally important at home, where children learn their grammatical patterns from their parents and family. This puts the next generation at an immediate disadvantage if learned incorrectly. This means grammar rules can help learners develop a habit of thinking logically and clearly and will become more accurate when using a language. Proper use of grammar is a sign of respect, both for a speaker and listeners. That's the reason why today we're going to study our lesson number 9, the name, ordinal, and cardinal numbers. So please, everybody, join me today and let's discover together what is this unit about. Cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers say how many people or things are there. Examples: there are 5 books on the desk. Ron is 10 years old. Don't forget that numbers bigger than 20 use a hyphen between compound numbers. Example: 21, we have a hyphen, 55, and 99. Numbers bigger than 100 use a hyphen between compound numbers and the word and. Use either the defined article a or 1 for 100. Examples: 121, 356, and 999. Numbers bigger than 1000 use a hyphen between compound numbers and the word and. Use either the defined article a or 1 for 1000. Don't forget to separate 3 digits with a comma. Example: 50,000. Here we have some other extra examples. 1 or 1,121. 2,356. 9,999. The number 0. Look at the following table and let's see how we use the number 0 in different situations. How to say 0 as word O. Explanation: single digits, telephone numbers, or codes. Example: 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. 0. Measurements or temperature. Example: 5 degrees Celsius below 0. Noun. Figure 0 in British English. 5 minus 5 leaves naught. Nil. Explanation: results in a sport. Example: the match ended 2-0. And love. Explanation: we use it when we're talking about tennis and we say 40 love. How to say the year. The way we write it, the way we say it. We say 1900, 1901, or 1901, 1995, 2000 or 2000, 2002, 2002, and finally 2010 or 2010. You normally split up the year in tenths. In 1985 is split up in 19 and 85. You say 1985. From 2000 until 2009, the year is normally not split up. 2000 or 2001. The word and is often left out. From 2010 on, the year is split up again. 2010 is split up in 20 and 10, and you say 2010. Sample sentences and the correct prepositions used. I was born in 1999. Use in with the year. I was born in August. Use in with the month. I was born on 12th May 2000. Use on in the complete date. Writing and saying the date in American English. The rule is month, date, and year. The defined article the can be left out. So we have some examples. You write January 1st, 2010. but you say January the 1st, 2010. Abbreviations BC, AD, BCE, and CE. Sometimes BC or AD is added after the year. Look at the following examples. Using BC, 1060 before Christ. Use of AD, 1060 Anno Domini. This is Latin for in the year of the Lord. The abbreviations BCE or CE are becoming more and more common today. BCE, we say 1060 before the common, current, or Christian era. And the use of CE, 1060 common, current, or Christian era. Please don't forget to add the age to the cardinal number to form the ordinal number. So 6 becomes into sixth. Add the last two letters of the written word to the figure. Example, fourth. Numbers in words, the ordinal number first, second, and third are irregular. Be careful with the spelling of the word for fifth, eighth, and ninth, also 12th, and the words ending in letter Y. Here you have a table in which you can see some examples and uses of the ordinal numbers. So please let's watch carefully how to write them when you want to use them. Fractions. Use the ordinal number for the denominator. Examples 1/3 or 2 3/5. We also have some exceptions, 1/2 and 1/4. In the case of decimals, use the cardinal number for decimals. Examples 3.8 and 4.25. Roman numbers. Roman numbers are seldom used. They are used for the names of kings and queens. Use the ordinal number as the following example. Elizabeth II, Louis XIV. As conclusion, we can say that cardinal numbers, also known as counting numbers, are used to count people or things. They indicate a quantity of people or objects, but ordinal numbers are whole numbers. They do not contain fractions or decimals. Well guys, this has been our final lesson of the first English grammar course. But before leaving, I just want to give you some reasons why you should apply the correct grammar when you speak and write. First, using proper grammar helps you to think logically and distinctly. You will develop effective communication skills. It improves your fluency in the language. Very beneficial when you are applying for a job. Not being able to pass a message clearly can diminish your organization's name. Poor usage of grammar can give a negative impression about you. It helps you to build a reputation as a professional. Helps you gain credibility, and that's the reason why, don't forget, these rules are necessary in everyday situations. Grammar rules are likewise essential in everyday life for clarity of meaning and intent. Well guys, this has been everything for today, and don't forget to register in the next course. For all your attention, thank you very much.